okay, please do a small work to explain with my friends. Actually, you see, when you use this machine, you can track the CPU with the help of this machine, with the help of a big camera, a big lens, and a good light. You will see the points of the CPU to correct them, to place in the same place where it should to be done. At first, you will correct the points of the CPU and the points of the board. When you correct it, and it should be each point on the same point of the board. The CPU point is to be on the same point of the PCB board. Okay, it's going well. Okay, it's going. Okay, that is. Now you can see each point of the CPU is come on the each point of the PCB board. So now please operate the machine. If it have a bigger display and a big functions, a very good function, you can operate it without the help of computer. No need for computer. After touch the IC, the CPU, it will give heat, and after heat, it will give some cooling because from the lower side and from the upper side, from the bottom and from the top, it's going a heat. With the help of heat, the IC is placed in his place. So the machine is giving us a notification to be careful because it's a heating process.